Hello! So I have my glasses on right now because I'm trying to see myself while I do this. This portion of the video is going to be where I curl my hair. I'm going to be doing very loose, is this on? Yes. Loose curls today to recreate Valentina's look. Oh, before I do that, let's spray some hair protectant. Heat protectant. This is the L'Oreal Boosted Heat Out Blow Heat Spray. It's very, very big right now. It's going to loosen up as the video continues. So I'm just gonna toss it back and hopefully it turns out nice as we do our makeup. Okay, so based on the picture, Valentina does have a very blank or like clean slate of a face. However, a lot of her freckles are actually showing through. And so I thought I would go in with like some light coverage. Just going to cover up the spots I have. But anything that I cover up, I'm gonna cover it up pretty well. So like the redness around my cheeks and my nose, anything like that. I'm just gonna cover up with my Shape Kit concealer. And just kind of blend it out like I normally blend out foundation. But everything on my face is actually concealer. I'm gonna put just a little bit more underneath my eyes because we didn't hit that before. I actually don't love this concealer under my eyes because I have really creasy under eyes, and this kind of really creases well underneath my eyelids. She has very filled in full strong looking brows. I don't know if you guys will be able to tell, but yeah, I'll have like the picture floating around every time I reference it, and obviously it's in the thumbnail, so Alright, so the brows are done. I'm gonna go in with the slightest bit of this third color here on my eyelids. I haven't been priming them recently and I kind of like it. Obviously I put concealer on and then powder on top, so like it's technically like priming them because concealer does set like a nice sticky base, and then the powder kind of goes on top of it really well. This is just for the slightest wash of color because I don't know if y'all can tell in the photo, she's wearing some bomb-ass glitter on her eyelids, which I don't know if I'll be able to completely replicate, and that's why this is an inspired makeup tutorial, not an exact makeup tutorial. I'm gonna go in with a, where's that brush? Slightly round brush on the top, not so round, and then I'm actually going to drag a little bit of this brown right here near my waterline and also my lower lash, not waterline, my upper lash line and my lower waterline. Drag it on there. And it seems like she's wearing something right around her eyes, so you can't really tell what. I'm just gonna mimic the effect. Next, we are gonna go straight into the glitter, actually, and put on the Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art. I'm gonna take the slightest bit of the actual metallic part. now that my eyelids are kind of wet feeling. I guess that same color relief. I'm gonna take the same color and just kind of dip that near the outer. Use the same brush that we used the transition shade on and just kind of blend it, creating like a nice light to dark effect. And then voila! We can now move on to the glitter part, which is essentially the best part. Yeah! Okay. I'll put that onto the lid as generously as I can. So I don't know if you can tell, but that is pretty packed on there. And then, oh, you know what? I'm actually gonna just wait for this to dry a little more. Okay, so I'm definitely gonna have to contour and blush, which I have right here. I'm gonna use the Chocolate Soleil bronzer from Too Faced. She doesn't have like a harsh contour. I'm just gonna go in with like a really light bronze. I'm going with the blush now. So yeah, liner on. It doesn't look like she has a wing. So what I'm actually going to do is take the black in the palette and a really tiny brush. I don't know if you guys can see it. And take the black. Oh, I'm just creating dust. And then just run that straight along the upper lash line. Okay, the camera just literally cut off, but I'm almost done. I promise. I promise. We're gonna go in with mascara because I believe that is our next step. Oh, we forgot to highlight, by the way. We go in with the, where did it go? The MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Soft and Gentle. Highlight, 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 because it looks like she's wearing highlight on her skin, obviously, and that is why we're doing it. The lightest bit there, underneath the brows, to really lift them, and just end the cupid's bow. Lashes are on, eyes are done. Gonna put on Bumble from Colourpop. It's like the closest thing I have. It's not super right, but it's okay. I'm gonna take the tiniest bit of hair from the top of my head and then braid it super tight. So in her photos, she has like flowers in her hair, but I don't own flowers like that to like put into my hair. So oh, by the way, I added a second braid because I saw in a different photo of hers that she's actually wearing braids on both sides. So I'm just gonna leave it like this. I think it's cute. Make sure to subscribe if you guys want more videos like this, where it's like makeup or maybe even fashion, maybe hair, or even college videos, which will be coming out pretty soon. Make sure to subscribe so you are notified whenever I post and that I show up in your subscription feed or subscription box. I will see you all in the next video.